Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Aliemeen Farhan. So today I will present to you my demo, my project slide for the final presentation. So my project title for my FYP is Managing and Monitoring Supply Between Dropshipper and Supplier Based on Web-Based Application. So my supervisor is Sir Asri, Dr. Asri bin Adi. And then for the presentation context, we will talk about introduction, about the project introduction, aim, objective, and scope. And then I will show you my use case diagram and then the model and functionality. Lastly, we will include the achievement for this final year project after I done the system. So let's go on. Alright, so project introduction. So what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is one of the business method for the business owner to increase their income on their sale. Mostly the one with mostly dropshipper will find the customer while the business owner will send the order. Alright. So what is the problem? If the dropshipping is done traditionally, so the customer need to manually tracking the customer. The business owner need to manually tracking customer order, and then the supplier and dropshipper often make mistake during exchange customer information. This is because usually if usually if supplier and dropshipper they communicate through the WhatsApp or WeChat to exchange the information like customer details, the product the customer want to order. So it will become a problem. And then business owner or supplier need to manually calculate total sale and commission for each dropshipper. So usually in business, we will have many dropshipper while only one business owner. Alright, so example of the problem situation. So dropshipper will get the customer order from the WhatsApp or WeChat, for example, and then the dropshipper will send the customer order through the WeChat or WhatsApp to the supplier, and then the supplier will send the order, and then supplier need to calculate manually commission or their sale for every dropshipper. So the main goal for this system is to help to ease the dropshipping activity and the process by making a new platform that dropshipper and supplier can make use of it. This is due to dropshipper and the business owner often make mistake and they have to face all the issue during the interaction between them. Alright, let's go on. So project objective to study the requirement of the system for this system to become a new platform for the supplier and dropshipper, and then to design and develop the system where can ease the business owner to handle the dropshipping process, and then to implementing and testing the system to the dropshipper and supplier so the result can be analyzed in the future. So for my project scope, we have two users, dropshipper and supplier, and then the security implement in this system is encryption for password and authentication. And then in this project, we will focus on generate graph of commission and sales, and then the stock balance, customer information, and so on. Alright, so my use case diagram, you can see we have two objects. We have two users, which is supplier and dropshipper. So dropshipper can register account and then can add to cart and then login, manage profile, and then view sales report, and then they can track delivery status. While supplier can do most of it, except additionally they can manage product and update order status. For example, like the payment status and then the delivery status, whether it's done or still pending. Right, so module and functionality. So we have login and logout, registration, card function, product inventory or stock balance, view report and dashboard for the commission and sale, and then management function for the dropshipping management function. They can active or inactive the user, and then track delivery function, for example like the payment status or the status of the delivery pending or completed. And then send email function, the supplier can send the email to the dropshipper about the customer order details. And then bank deposit payment function, update order status and manage profile. Right. So achievement for this final year, for my final year project is I able to develop a system that can be used to help business owner to manage the shipping process within his company or her company. Able to test the system using the black box testing and user acceptance testing or UAT. And then by the development of the system, I expect it to ease the dropshipping practice and process. So that's all for me. Thank you.